Pad Climate System, the state-of-the-art evaporating cooling system for chicken houses, your breeding barn, or any industrial facilities. Let's keep the heat outside. Easy installation. Wooden frames give you a strong and solid foundation. Convenient for you. Our self-made kit includes all brackets and screws. Our Tang It kit provides all the parts for your water tank, including housing, coupling, water gutter, and end cover. All made of UV-resistant, long-lasting PVC. Our gluing kit is waterproof and simple to use. Pad units are set on top of our specially engineered mesh system, called Pad Support, to help keep the system clean. Our Barku Aqua Pump is specially made for the Pad Climate System. A volume rate of 18 meters cubed per hour guarantees a perfect water supply 24/7. Mounted to the wooden frame, the upper supporting top brackets can be easily mounted. Pad guide couplings allow you to customize your pad system to the length you need. Pipe connectors allow you to also extend the water distribution pipe to the length you need. End kit with end cover and sealing cap completes the assembly of your water system distribution. Adjusting the deflector to your needs, it optimizes water distribution to each pad. Engineered to extend the system up to a length of 24 meters. Having your equipment set up and ready to go, all you need is to start placing your cooling pads into the frame structure. Pads are light to handle and can be easily customized to any opening space. Pad guides hold your pads in place and can be easily removed for service. Connect it up to your water supply and your pad climate system is ready to go. It's that simple. By hooking it up to your water system, the pump will lift the water to the upper distribution pipe. Water openings in combination with our specially designed deflector allow the water to spread uniformly over the pads, supplying all cooling pads with the correct amount of water all the time. Allowing the water to flow through the cooling pads, dripping down into the water gutter. The water gutter helps to keep the water in the system circulating around, keeping your cost to a minimum, and you'll not need any additional underground tanks. Your pump cover avoids splashing water and helps your system to stay clean. While air flows through the pad system, our evaporation process cools hot air down by enriching it with humidity, also preventing dust formations to build up. All over the world, Pad gives you the climate you need. It's that simple. We'd love to get you started today.